Okay, now this is part 5. We're about to put the subframe brace and the stabilizer bar. I'm not changing the links because mine are good. And yeah, should be it. Just the stabilizer link come with those in the bushings. You have to grease them. You'll see what I'm doing. Let's get it. All right. Now, this is the stock one, obviously, and this is the new one, Z1. So-called Z1 shit. I see a sticker on here. They just put it on there. That can rip off easy. But anyways, this is stock. You see how thinner this is? And look how thick this one is. You see the difference? Thin, thick. They like this. Oh yeah, this one's a little heavier than this one. This is lighter. But it's the same way. Okay. All right. So this is light. This is heavy. Light, heavy. So this might, be a little heavy because it's a little thicker. And this is stock, light. But this is adjustable. I didn't get the links because my links are still good. So when those links go, then I'm upgrade. Alright. So now I'll put this on. Look how rusty this is, man. This had to go. Look at this. Blech. Dirty. Nasty. Raggedy. Nah. If this don't bother you, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. This bothers me, man. This bothered me. I had to upgrade. But anyways, let's put this on. So when you put this on, make sure you don't put it upside down, because it goes like this, not like this. It's not gonna let you put it this way anyway, because it's gonna hit the diff. So just know it goes like that. And I'm gonna go for this hole, probably back here. It's probably where it's supposed to be. It doesn't, or the front. I don't know. I'm gonna try the back one. And you get these things. You have to screw this thing on right here. Right here. Screw it on here. I think it's a 6 mil. And I don't know what's this grease. Where the hell you put this grease at? Maybe on here. Inside here, maybe. Inside here. I don't know. That's where the hole is at. Huh. Weird. Alright, so I'm putting these on right now, these fittings. I'm gonna just use adjustable wrench to twist this thing, because I don't have time to be looking for what size this is. After that, install them. Easy as that. That is in. So when you put this on like this, like so, when you put the grease, I guess the grease goes in here so it doesn't wear out as fast. So I guess that lube they gave us, I'm gonna put some lube here, then put it on there. This that came with it. So I'll put some in there, side here, and put it on. Okay, so I put the grease in. I'm gonna rub it around the circle. Then you can leave it like this if you want, but I'm gonna spread it around there. Then I'm gonna install it. As you see, they are on. Damn, fucking dirty. Damn it. Whatever. They are on. Now it's time to put everything all back together, exhaust and everything. I'm waiting for gaskets for my exhaust, so I'm not gonna worry about that at the moment. Now let's put the brace for here, the one that rotted out. You see, I didn't take it off yet. You see this one? Rotted. Look at that. There's not even a whole pipe there. Look, it stopped because it fell off. So that's gonna be put on now. Actually, I can. Yeah, I can put it on now. Before the exhaust. Make sure you put a jack over here so the subframe doesn't tilt on you. don't forget, you don't want that to happen to you. So put a jack here, let it hold, and remove the bolts. As you see, the jack is on here. Now you can take these off. The 19s. Okay. Subframe might come out slightly, but be all right. You see these, man? You see these? Garbage. Garbage. All right, so let's get my other one and then put it on. Come on, look at this. Look at this rotted, shitty garbage stock compared to the new one. Alright, let's put this on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, this is the bar here. It goes like this. Right there. And put this flashlight the damn way. And stretch it over. Like this. Okay. Alright, just like that. Now I'm gonna bolt it on. Okay. Look at this. Sheesh. Much better than before. Look at that. This is why I'm broke, man. This car is making me broker and broker. Look at this shit. Okay, so that was the final one. Now I could like I said, I'm waiting for my gasket, for my exhaust, then I'll put everything back together. But you can put everything back if you're not waiting for anything like me. Don't forget the ABS for those, and tighten everything. Make sure everything's not loose, nothing's loose, and you should be good. Hopefully I could take a video of it. It don't really matter. You don't need to see no video of me driving, looking at this shit. It's stupid. But that is it. It's the final. It's not the final project. Like I said, my exhaust ain't on yet, but this is it. Final look before it's dropped and it get dirty again and rusty again. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I might get a new tray over here because mine is messed up over there. It's cracked. So I might get another one. Yeah, other than that, I'm gonna stop with my mid pipe on, and should be good. And that was it for the stabilizer bar and the brace. I'm gonna see if that's a difference. Well, it's gonna be a big difference. I did the diff brace, sub brace, new stabilizer bar. I don't think it's a big difference with that, but mine was just rusty, so I changed it. And yeah, that's it. I might do the brace for the tie rods. I might do that. Maybe. But this is I know it's gonna be stiff, of course, and it's gonna drive nice, smooth. I know that. But eventually, I want to upgrade the gear in there, the limited slip. I should have did while I was in there, but it's no rush. I'm probably gonna send in my diff and they send me the diff built already. I might do that. But that's better. I could just take the diff and just put it up. Yeah. But yeah, see how it goes. See how it rides. I know it's gonna ride nice. It's gonna ride smooth. Alright, man. Help you out. Give me a like, subscribe.